Hello guys, if you are getting the unable to connect to ES servers error in Madden 27, there are a couple of quick fixes you should try first, and these work on both console and PC. First, completely close Madden 27, restart your console and then launch the game again. You can also restart your router or modem, wait a few seconds and reconnect to the internet, since a network connection issue can sometimes cause this error. If that doesn't fix it, highlight Madden 27, press the options button and select check for update. If there is an update available, install it, then try launching the game again. Next, go into settings, then users and accounts, select other and choose restore licenses. Find Madden 27, select it and let the process finish. After that, go back to settings, select network, then settings and choose setup internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi network, open advanced settings and change DNS settings from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1 and for the secondary DNS, enter 1.0.0.1. Save the settings, reconnect to your network and try Madden 27 again. If you are still unable to connect, the issue could be on ES side, so you may need to wait until their servers are back up. Hopefully one of these fixes get you back into Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.